Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and today we are making a version of Wassail. Wassail or Wassail is a traditional mulled cider, perfect for warming us up during the coming cold winter. In the past, this concoction was often consumed around the time of the winter solstice. People would pour some of the cider onto the roots of apple trees as an offering to ensure a good apple harvest for the next year. Today's potion is called the Witch's Offering, and this potion is full of loving energies, fertility, and abundance. This recipe does take 40 minutes to simmer. However, it does make enough for 6 servings, so it's definitely worth the wait. I actually reduced this recipe by half for myself since I'm pretty sure I will be the only one drinking it, but I will leave the full recipe in the description. I also couldn't find fresh cranberries, so I am going to have to substitute with dried ones instead. Made with apples, citrus, and spices, this is going to make your home smell absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's craft the Witch's Offering. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need a 1/3 cup of sliced red apples, 3 cups of apple juice, a 1/4 cup of pure honey, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 3 tablespoons of dried cranberries, 2½ small orange peels, 1 cinnamon stick, 1/2 tablespoon of whole allspice, 2 small lemon peels, and 1½ dried bay leaves. Alright, so first, cut a few apple slices in half for garnish and set aside. You only need 1/2 slice per mug. Next, grab a pot. Add in all of the ingredients, so in goes apple juice, ginger, cranberries, cinnamon stick, allspice, orange peels, lemon peels, honey, remaining apple slices, and bay leaves. Now simmer over medium-low heat for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, pour it into mugs. Lastly, garnish with reserved apple slices. And ta-da! The Witch's Offering is complete! If you want to do some advanced magic, harness the energies of petrified wood. Sip this cocktail outside on the night of the winter solstice while holding a piece of petrified wood. Use it to connect to ancestors, nature spirits, past lives, and the years of magic cast on this night. Taste test time! Well, here we have some wassail. I definitely prefer the British pronunciation of wassail instead of wassail. Wassail just sounds like waffles, and I'm not trying to make waffles, I'm trying to make mulled cider. But anyway, let's give this a try. Cheers! It's actually pretty good. This is definitely a very nice and warm and strong apple drink. I feel like perhaps it's a little strong in cinnamon, but that might just be because my cinnamon sticks were very long. I probably could have used maybe even half of it. It's also on the sweeter side, so I feel like that might be mostly due to the dried cranberries that I use, since they're usually a lot sweeter than if I had fresh cranberries. So if you did have fresh cranberries, I would say that that would definitely help balance this drink out. But again, I've only ever seen fresh cranberries in the store once, and that might have been like last Christmas or something. I can't even remember. I was just very surprised to even see it in the grocery store. But yeah, aside from those two factors, I think that this is actually very tasty. If I were to make it again next time, I would definitely make it a little less sweet and also a little less cinnamon. But yeah, not bad. I've definitely tried making apple cider before, and it never really turned out that great. It kind of tasted a bit more watered down, I would say. Not a lot of apple flavor, but this has a lot of apple flavor. I want to say I can't believe people used to pour this on the roots of trees, but then again, people used to do some weird things in the past, so sounds about right. It's such a waste though. I would have definitely drank it all myself. I wonder if I have to pour this on apple trees though. Can I pour it on other things that I want to grow? Can I pour it all on my herbs instead? I might have to try next year. They're kind of all dead already. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and may you never run out of mulled cider this year. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos down in the comments below. And like and subscribe for more awesome potions. And until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!